Hello, trading is closed on March 11th, 2019. Let's go over our calls. The most likely thing we said was a gap outside of the day's range. Had a target of 27.2339. I thought it might not print because other than this target, everything else was positive. This really wasn't on the list, but I just keep these optional targets of this type for a day, but it did print. And this one we get to cross off the list. There's no time limit on the ultimate signal. It's already printed its equivalent in the futures market, but it has to print it in cash to get to cross it off the list. Futures are up smartly as I'm talking, but until it prints in regular trading hours, we just have to keep this on the list. There is a new target, 27.7613. Most likely to print tomorrow, but again, if we gap up smartly, I'm going to cancel that prediction. Here was our all-day rally. MEJT says it's false. Here's your target. Well, it's tough to stand in front of a move like this one. Looks pretty positive when you go straight up. There are a few flies in the ointment. First of all, tomorrow's pattern is the one with the early low. Tends to have an all-day rally, close positively. Only time it won't in general is if there's a strong move down in the first 1 to 2 hours. We're up as we're speaking, but I'm not going to predict what's going to happen overnight. I think there's supposed to be some news about Brexit. Who knows where we'll open. But unless we gap up smartly, that should print. And if we gap down smartly, you can't guarantee tomorrow's going to be positive. So what's not so wild about action like this? Well, this could be interpreted as a cup with a handle sloping upwards, and those aren't sustainable patterns. Typically, when you get a big move like this, you want to pull back and then go up for a sustainable rally. This rally isn't over as far as I'm concerned, because here's your McClellan oscillator on the NASDAQ, and you just reverse from under the lower band to over it. It's a buy sign, but that doesn't mean we have to go up tomorrow. In addition to the handle sloping up, this all-day rally couldn't take out any of these highs. Right now, it's just a retest of prior lows. All these highs are holding. It doesn't mean a thing if we gap up, but if we move down smartly overnight, you can never tell what's going to happen. If we move down smartly overnight, tomorrow might turn out to be some sort of a wishy-washy day. So, I think the open's important. For the rally to continue, we have to gap up. There is a possibility we're going to move down smartly, and if we do, we'll see this target. If we don't move down smartly, I look for higher prices. Smartly in the first 1 to 2 hours, I look for higher prices. The pattern is the one with the early low and the late high. I think this low is going to hold for a while, at least a few days. And I think we'll trade higher than this, here and more. But I'm kind of wishy-washy about tomorrow, where it might not be as strong a day as today's action would indicate, unless we see that strength early. And that's today's call.